Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can edit the details within an opportunity. Sign into Command first and go over to your Opportunities tab on the left. From here, you can click into any of your phases within your sales pipelines or choose the All Opportunities tab at the top in order to get to the opportunity that you want to make the edits to. For today, we'll just click into our listing sales pipeline into our active phase here and click on the name of the opportunity. Now, we're in a listing opportunity, and for a listing opportunity, there's an extra field up here at the top for the details that you'll see we're already on that tab. To fill in the property information, you can actually click up here and choose the address from the KWLS right here to help populate some of the details within your opportunity for you. You can use any of these search options and filter options to find that listing. Once you do, you can click select. And once you select that property, you'll just click away from this box. The address should show towards the top here. And now you'll notice in the property field that the information should show automatically populated for you there. So that's just a little bonus to the listing opportunity. Now let's say if this was a buyer opportunity, you would want to come over to the property information once you have it, once your buyer has decided on a property, and click the pencil. This will allow you to come in and edit any of the fields that you see that are not grayed out. So you can make adjustments as you need to. Like, let's say this particular buyer actually decided on a different property than that. So we can go to or type in a different address, make sure all the fields are updated with the correct information, and click Save. And now you should see the little banner at the bottom saying the property is updated, and it even updated the link at the top for us as well. On the left-hand side for key information, you'll notice we have another pencil here where we can make some adjustments to some of the information here. Now notice that some of the blocks are grayed out. That information is not able to be changed once the opportunity is created, like the market center is created under, if it is a team opportunity or not, and then also who is the owner of that opportunity. So those items are not able to be edited, but you can make changes to like opportunity name. You can continue to add and remove custom tags to your opportunity, as well as change the contacts that are associated as well. Any of the fields with the red asterisks just need to make sure that you have information in those fields. Everything else is optional. This is actually where you could make some edits to some of the key dates for your opportunity. This is important, especially when it comes to like your checklist templates that you have for your opportunities, as well as tasks, because with your tasks, you now have the opportunity to schedule them based on smart due dates. Those smart due dates are based on these key dates within your opportunity. Be sure to check out our other tip video about scheduling tasks, and that should help you further with that, as well as our checklist video. Go ahead and make any changes that you need to, like choosing a date here, and then click Save once you're done. And you'll notice if you scroll down, key information should show updated with any changes that you've made, as well as the key dates down here. You'll notice that is a larger field for the key dates, and you can click the pencil, and it will bring you to that same section that you were just in under key information, so that again, you can just choose the calendar and pick those particular dates that apply to this particular opportunity. Click Save once you're done. Over on the right-hand side, if it's a listing opportunity, you should see a seller worksheet that you can come in here and edit and make changes to this information as well. And coming on down, you do have description and financial information where you can click the edit pencils and make changes. For the ownership, you do have an edit pencil here. It will bring you back to the same field for general information as we saw at the very top. Again, however, that's the information that is currently grayed out. You cannot change the ownership, market center, or the team once you've created the opportunity. If you're looking to change any of those particular ownership items, you would actually need to go ahead and create a new opportunity. That is how you would make any changes here to your opportunity details. As soon as you click the edit pencil, make your changes and click save. That information is now updated on your opportunities and you should be good to go. If you have any questions at all, you can definitely reach out to us via email. It's support@scottleroymarketing.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.